witness the transformative power of digital technology, ladies and gentlemen, we understand that education is at the forefront of this revolution. Bondo Teachers Training College stands at the intersection of tradition and innovation. Your role in this digital revolution is pivotal, shaping the minds that will lead our nation into a future defined by knowledge, creativity, and technological prowess. In your journey as educators, please embrace technology not as a mere addition to your teaching toolkit, but as a powerful catalyst for purposes of innovation. The digital landscape offers an array of tools and platforms that can revolutionize the way we impart knowledge, engage students, and cultivate a thirst for learning. Whether it is virtual classrooms, interactive learning applications, or collaborative online projects, technology provides an avenue for creativity and dynamism in education. I encourage you, ladies and gentlemen, to integrate technology seamlessly into your teaching methodologies, allowing it to enhance but not to replace the invaluable human connection that lies at the heart of education. However, with great technological power comes the responsibility to instill ethical values in our students. As educators, you are not just dispensers of knowledge, but you are also guardians of integrity, empathy, and responsible digital citizenship.